What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be teaching you the Charlier cut. Let's do it. So some of you may not know this, but the Charlier cut was actually the first video I ever uploaded to YouTube. So I want to revamp it up, make this video a lot better, a lot cleaner, a lot, better angles and everything. So without any further ado, let's get into the Charlier cut. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to first teach you from this view so you can see straight on how it looks like and what moves are being pulled by these fingers in the front here. Then I'll get behind the camera and show you from my angle. This way you get the full 360 view of what goes on. Okay, to start off, we're going to first get into the straddle grip, which will look something like this. You have a thumb on the side, middle and ring finger on this side, pointer finger on top, and pinky finger on the bottom. So what you're going to do first is grip the card very tightly with these four fingers here, so you can almost let go with the thumb and these cards wouldn't even come close to falling. Now once you get here, you want to lift up about half the packet with your thumb like this. Right, so as you lift up here, you also want to loosen your grip with your pointer finger and your pinky finger. So when you start loosening your grip, you'll see the cards starting to fall a little bit. You don't want to completely remove these fingers, otherwise the cards that are on the bottom here may fall over out here or out here, depending on how you're holding. So you want to make sure you don't completely release these fingers, just loosen them a little bit and allow the cards to fall like that. Now at this point, what you're going to do is move your pointer finger from the side here to the bottom. Now if the cards are new or you're not too comfortable doing this, you think the cards are going to fall, tilt your wrist inward a little bit. This way the cards are still resting on your pinky finger on this side. So you lift it in, move your finger out here and put it right underneath. From this position, you're going to start pushing up with your pointer finger. So pushing up, pushing up, pushing up. It may get a little difficult to start pushing when you get around the center here because, if you don't have a big enough gap here between the cards and the palm of your hand, it's going to get a little tough, but keep pushing anyway. It'll get easier, and then it'll come to somewhat of a triangle shape. From here, you want to keep your pointer finger connected to these cards and pull out with these fingers a little bit. So they're here, you want to pull out like this. Oh man. And just let the cards fall and rest right on top of your pointer finger. Now once this happens, you're going to just bring this finger down and close up with your thumb. And there you go. That is the Charlier cut. Now you can just boom, clean it up, go back in the straddle grip to clean it up. Now one full run through from this angle, you lift up, cut it about in half, push up with this finger here, start pulling out with these fingers like this. Now once you're here, clear this bottom packet of the top packet, have the cards come down on your pointer finger here, push over with your thumb, and that's it. Then you get back in your straddle grip to clear, to straighten all the cards out. Now coming in from this angle, we're going to do the same thing, get into our straddle grip like this, separate the cards in half using your thumb, loosen the pinky finger and the pointer finger. Once you're here, you're going to move this pointer finger underneath the cards, start pushing up while also pulling these cards out. So pull out, pull out, pull out. Make sure you're still supporting with the pinky finger here, otherwise the cards may fall out in this direction. Right now, once you're here, let these cards fall right on top of your pointer finger over there. Bring the pointer finger down, push over with your thumb, completing the Charlier cut, and then the deck is not completely clean. So you want to get back into the straddle grip. So the way I do that is I push back up with my pointer finger here, push back up, grab with middle and ring finger, thumb on this side, get my pinky finger back on the bottom, pointer finger back on top, square that all up, and that is the Charlier cut. That's all it takes. So that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to go check out my Patreon page to help support my channel and get some really cool perks while doing it. So I'll put the link to that in the description. And also in the description, it's a link to all my social media, so go make sure to follow me on there for all my status updates. And all that being said, I will see you in the next video. Welcome to the end screen. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe, because subscribing is good. Thanks for watching.